everybody, and welcome to the Lexus of Tulsa virtual classroom. I'm Brandie back, your Lexus technology specialist, and today I'm going to go over Lexus Interface Drive Connect. That is the cloud-based navigation system powered with Google Points of Interest. I'm going to cover the map, menu, settings as well, and we're also going to cover some features within the Lexus app that goes along with Drive Connect. So how to save your home, work addresses, as well as sending addresses to the vehicle. So let's get started. Drive Connect is a collection of connected services that includes cloud navigation powered with Google Points of Interest, Intelligent Assistant, and Destination Assist. Vehicles equipped with a 12.3 or 14-inch touchscreen receive a 3-year complimentary trial of Drive Connect, while vehicles equipped with the 8-inch or 9.8-inch touchscreen receive no complimentary trial of Drive Connect. If your vehicle did not receive a complimentary trial of Drive Connect, no worries. All are capable of subscribing to Drive Connect. If you wish to subscribe to Drive Connect services, there are a couple of bundle options available in the Lexus app under the Subscriptions tab. You can choose between the Go Anywhere bundle for $15 monthly or the Premium bundle for $25 monthly. To access the Drive Connect map and options, you will simply select the compass arrow at the top left of the main menu for interface. Now, if you are connected to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it will be the second option available to you once you select the Lexus emblem. Otherwise, it will always be your first option here. On the bottom left of the map screen, you have your destination search button. So you would touch that to activate the search screen or Intelligent Assistant. You can also say hello, okay, or hi Lexus to activate Intelligent Assistant. To access your destinations menu, select the magnifying glass, which is your searching option, and select destinations. This then populates your destinations menu, giving you your home and work options as well as your favorites and recents, sent to car, and then options for food, fuel, parking, and hospitals. To the right of the destination search button, you have your map screen expand or collapse button. So you can see when I do that, it expands that screen for me and removes those additional options for climate. Now here we have our current position icon, so that will always show you where you are located and what direction you are. And then you have here on the right side of the menu, you have your map orientation. So you can go between north up, heads up, or 3D heads up. So you'll see if I select that option, it will then begin to adjust my mapping to my preference. And then below that, you have your zoom in and out buttons. So you can touch those to zoom in or out on the menu. You also have the ability to tilt the screen. And right below your zoom option, you have an additional map options button. So you can turn off traffic notifications. You also can access your destination assist here or go to your navigation settings. So it'll take you to that within your settings on the bottom left of the menu. To navigate using Intelligent Assistant, simply use one of the wake phrases, hey, hi, hello, or okay Lexus. Hey Lexus.
What would you like to do?
Take me to the BOK Center.
I found Box Center. Would you like to go now?
Yes.
Calculating route to Box Center. Proceed to the highlighted route.
And you see that she simply selected the quickest route for me and began route guidance. With the route selected, I can actually select that drop-down menu and see my estimated time. I can end the trip if I wanted. I can also add a stop. There's also an option to share your estimated time of arrival. And then below that, you have alternative routes that you could view as well as just the average rating. Then on if I were to select that alternative route, or if I orbit to begin guidance, you'll see here at the lower right that I have the end option. So I can end the route that I'm on by selecting that button. I can also utilize Intelligent Assistant and ask her to cancel the route as well. To the right of the end button, you have the mute option. So if you wanted to mute guidance, you're familiar where you're going, you have that option as well. To send a destination to the car through the Lexus app, select Find on the lower right of the home screen. You will then select Destinations. That will populate the search tab up top to enter an address or specific location you desire. We are going to type in Starbucks, and it will then populate the nearest location. So then we will have the option to send to car. Once you select that, it will then notify you at the top of the screen that the destination will be available through Drive Connect. And this is what your screen will look like once you send that destination to your car. You can then select Go Now.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
And route guidance begins. To save your home or work address to Drive Connect, select the Find tab on the lower right of your Lexus app home screen. You will then select Destinations. Then it will populate your home or work options. We're going to select the work option. Then it will populate the search tab. So you can either type in the full address or the name. So we're going to type in Lexus of Tulsa and select that. And then you will select Save, and that will set that address for you. If you would like to navigate to your home or work that you have saved in the Lexus app, simply say, "Hey Lexus,
What do you want to do?
take me to work."
I found 4210 South Memorial Drive. Would you like to go now?
Yes.
Calculating route to 4210 South Memorial Drive.
To access settings for your navigation, you can either be on the Drive Connect screen and select the options menu and go to settings that way, or you can also just select your setup tab here on the lower left and then scroll to navigation. That will then take you to your options. You see that you have preference up here with map details and route options, so you can go in and turn off different map overlays, points of interest, options that you want to show. You can also calibrate your map as well. Under route options, you can select if you want to avoid highways, tolls, ferries, any of that. And then if you go to notifications, you have options for navigation notifications as well. So you can have the navigation during calls where voice navigation turn by turn will be on while you are on a call. You can also turn off different notification alerts as well. Thank you again for joining me today. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can receive notifications whenever we post a new tutorial or find things that I love. And if you have any questions regarding Lexus Interface Drive Connect, please comment below and we'll respond as quickly as we can. We'll see you again next time.